put this part up so far, so it's all connected, strut poles. However, very important for Grand Caravan and Town and Country owners, users, campers. The MoonShade has a long side. That's here. That's the part that says MoonShade, and the part that says nothing. That is the narrow part. So we try to put the wide part, long part, on like widthwise. And what happens? Oops, this anchor ends up being here on the edge, which is round, so that means there is no stickiness, so that means it won't hold, so that means this will never hold. Or you use a strut pole that is supplied as an additional piece, or you just put it on like the other side, you know, like 90 degree, and then you have the narrow side attached to the vehicle and the wide side sticking out. So we choose this way. Actually, this might work better because you can put like a table here underneath, and then still have a lot of shade. So just our take on this. It's up to you, of course. And these support poles, I just unfolded them. It works the same way as these tension poles. So you put them here, you click them in here, and basically you just put them on the ground, and this should be firm enough. Of course you need guy lines, of course you need to hammer, you know, like your little plastic anchors into the ground, otherwise the whole thing might fly away. You don't want that. And then the same matter happens here, so you just click it in and then put it down. So that is part 3. So we'll continue with these little guidelines.